Hey guys, it's Yunitza Munoz, and I'm here to talk to you about Alien Fresh Jerky. And no, it's not made out of aliens. It's actually made out of premium cut beef like filet mignon. So Alien Fresh Jerky is a very popular brand, but a lot of people always ask me, why is it called Alien Fresh Jerky? The reason is because their very first store was located near Area 51, and because of that, they decided to call themselves Alien Fresh Jerky. Over time, they outgrew that location and moved to Baker, California. Now, the Baker, California location is amazing because they literally have huge alien figurines. So a lot of people love to take selfies there and be part of this cool sci-fi experience. Another cool thing I want to let you know is Alien Fresh Jerky is having a contest where you can win $400 worth of Alien Fresh Jerky, and the product they will be sending you is filet mignon. So that's right, you can win $400 worth of filet mignon Alien Fresh Jerky. How do you win? All you have to do is go to contest.alienfreshjerky.com. Again, that's contest.alienfreshjerky.com. I'm Yunitza Munoz, and I hope I was able to educate you about Alien Fresh Jerky.